Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I gave you some information about what is pneumonia, and today I am going to talk about the causes of pneumonia, especially bacterial causes. Pneumonia, a lung infection caused by organisms like bacteria, virus and fungi. So let's see in detail which bacteria cause pneumonia. First, pneumococcal pneumonia. It is the most common type of bacterial pneumonia and it is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria, is also known as pneumococcus, that colonize in mucosal surface of upper respiratory tract. It is a gram-positive bacteria. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the most common pathogen to cause community-acquired pneumonia. This bacteria spread from person to person by direct contact with respiratory secretions like saliva or mucus. Bacterial pneumonia often affect just one part or lobe of the lung. When this happens, the condition is called as a lobar pneumonia. People recovering from the surgeries, people with respiratory disease, and people who have a weakened immune system are at the greatest risk of the bacterial pneumonia. Some bacteria are responsible for atypical pneumonia. Atypical pneumonia means slightly different symptoms, appear different on chest x-ray, respond different to antibiotics. Mycoplasma pneumoniae is the type of atypical bacteria and is responsible for the vast majority of atypical respiratory infection. Mycoplasma pneumoniae is sometimes referred to as a walking pneumonia. Walking pneumonia means mild case of pneumonia. Here symptoms can be mild enough that you can continue about your daily activities, but still you have to take care about yourself. Mycoplasma pneumonia is a tiny, widespread bacteria that cause illness by damaging the lining of respiratory system. It infects people younger than 40 years old, especially those living and working in a crowded conditions. Mycoplasma pneumoniae spread from person to person by coughing or sneezing. Mycoplasma pneumonia infection usually have a long incubation period between 1 to 4 weeks. Another bacteria is Chlamydia or Chlamydophila pneumoniae. It is also a common cause of infection of the lung. People spread Chlamydia pneumoniae by coughing or sneezing, which creates small respiratory droplets that contain the bacteria. People can get sick if they touch something with droplets from a sick person on it and then touch their mouth or nose. However, the incubation period is long. Symptoms begin 3 to 4 weeks after exposure and symptoms are mild. People of all age can get sick from Chlamydia pneumoniae. It most commonly infects people for the first time when they are school-age children. However, reinfection is most common in older adults. And the last bacterial cause is Legionella pneumophila bacteria. It can cause a serious type of infection. Pneumonia is called as a Legionnaires disease. It can also cause a less serious condition known as a Pontiac fever. Pontiac fever is a milder infection and symptoms seen is a primarily fever and muscle ache. Legionella is not passed from person to person, but outbreak of the disease linked with exposure to contaminated water like cooling towers, whirlpool spas and outdoor fountain. Less commonly, people get sick by aspiration of drinking water containing Legionella. This happens only when water accidentally goes into the lungs during drinking. Symptoms usually begin 2 to 10 days after exposure with the bacteria. So people should watch for symptoms about 2 weeks after exposure. It's all about bacterial causes of pneumonia. Thank you for listening. In my next video, I will give you detail about the viral cause of pneumonia.